Last session we discussed about images, the different options how to display the images. We show ID, name, SRC, width, height, title, ALT, alternative text, ALT. Next we can apply one more option also on this image. One more option. What is that, sir? Border. Now photo frames border is comes na? Like that we can apply the border for images. Photo frames border available, so we can apply the border for our images. How it is possible, sir? For that the CSS attribute available. For that the CSS attribute is available. Around your photo, it is drawing a border. Around your photo, it is drawing a border. For that, we have the border attribute. This is a part of the CSS, not HTML, sir. HTML don't use, go for the CSS. The border takes the three parameters, means three values. The border attributes require the three parameters, come three values. One is thickness of the border. Thickness of the border. Second one is style of the border. Which style? Borders we have. Border is nothing but a line. It's just drawing a line around your image. Line pattern, which type of pattern you require the line. Next one, color of the line. The next one is color of the line. So border attribute, it takes the three parameters. Nothing but three values. Thickness, style, color. Now see, I'm writing here one image. IMG SRC equals to images slash IMG SRC equals to images slash so take one of the image from here. I'm taking this rose flower. Style. Why style, sir? Because CSS attribute. It is CSS attribute. So that's why we are going to using style. Equals to double quotations. Border. Colon. Thickness. 5 pixels. The thickness was 5 pixels. Space. What is the color style? Solid. Solid. Space. What is the color, sir? I want to go for some blue color. Now we'll get image with blue color border. Image with blue color border. This is actually for the rose flower, the blue color border not available. We just created. That is thickness of 5 pixels and solid in the sense of straight line and blue color we applied. You can change anything. I need more pixels, sir. 15 pixels. Colors are. I need some red color. So which line you require, that line we can up. There is no problem. And we are moving to our next tag, next explanation. It's called as anchor tags, also called as hyperlinks. Anchor tag, also called as hyperlinks. Hyperlinks is one of the main concept of our HTML because in HTML, H stands for hyper. In HTML, H stands for hyper. Right now, we are going to working with hyper. We are going to working with hyperlink. So why it is called as hyperlinks, sir? So working with hyperlinks. Once if you observe this diagram here, we are calling one web page to another web page. We are calling one web page to another web page. Hyperlink means navigations. Hyperlink is nothing but a navigation. Moving from one place to another place in our website. Moving from one place to another place from our website. This is our source. This is our working location here. So here we are working right now. HTML program is calling another HTML program. This HTML program is calling another HTML program. Like that, this HTML program calling another servlet program. And this HTML program is calling another ASP.NET program. Like that, any program we can call it. How we can call, sir? By using hyperlink. How we can call it, sir? By using hyperlink. How these hyperlinks are produced or how these hyperlinks are designing, sir? By using anchor tag. By using anchor tag. The tag name is A. The full form of A is anchor. The full form of the A is anchor. Anchor tag used for creating of hyperlinks, and hyperlinks are helping to navigate from one page to another page. Hyperlinks are helping to navigate from one page to another page. So the navigations part it regularly happens in our website. Navigations part it regularly happens in our website. Now, if you open any website, sir, we are clicking somewhere right now. If you are clicking anywhere, sir, that is compulsory hyperlink. On hyperlinks only we are clicking. If it is not hyperlink and the second option is button. Only the two possible areas to click here. Only the two possible areas to click here. One is hyperlink, second one is button. So other than these two cases, we are not clicking anywhere. We are not clicking anywhere. These are the only the two clickable areas. These are the only the two clickable areas. Buttons currently we are not discussing this one. Buttons we are not discussing currently here. So right now is we are discussing hyperlinks. Right now we are discussing hyperlinks. So how to create these hyperlinks? That is our concept. Purpose is the diagram is explaining that one. The purpose is diagram is explaining here. Navigations from one place to another place. Within the application, different applications are both supported. Here I mentioned here within the same application we can navigate it as well as the different applications also we can navigate. How the different application we are navigating, sir? By using address. By using address. That address is called as technically URL. That address is called as technically URL. Uniform Resource Located. If you have a valid URL, sir. If you have a valid URL, So by using this URL, we can jump or we can move from anywhere to anywhere in the world, in the internet world. By using a valid URL, we are able to jump or we are able to move from anywhere to anywhere in the internet world, from anywhere to anywhere in the internet world by using a URLs. And this is the syntax. These are the two syntaxes for anchor tag. These are the two syntaxes for anchor tag. Anchor tag followed by some attributes are comes here and some display text. Then anchor tag is close. Or anchor tag followed by some images comes here and anchor tag is close. It's a paid tag plus moreover inline tag. It's a paid tag moreover inline tag. It's a paid tag and it's an inline element. Inline element side by side it will come all our things right now. It's by default anchor tags how they are going to display inside. This is the process. Anchor tags always created with the blue color with the hand symbol.
Hello.
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 So by default, anchor tag appearing in these three settings here. One is the blue color, second one hand symbol, third one is underline. These are the default settings or default appearance of the anchor tag. But we can customize this one by using CSS. Because some websites we are getting anchor tags in the same format, but some websites will get them in a different format. Is they customize it that one. It's developers' interest. Suppose here we have the lot of Google links. A blue color underline hand symbol above. No customization here. As it is format, they are following. All anchor tags. These all are hyperlinks on. All these are the hyperlinks. And these all hyperlinks are appearing in the same format. That is default format. Blue underline hand. If you go for any other websites, suppose Facebook, here we have blue and underline. Yes, this is also blue and underline only. Hand symbol. If you go for Flickr, sir, the different styles will get it. The top of these all are hyperlinks. Anchor tags, all these are. All these are the anchor tags. Travel, appliances, mobiles, groceries, stock offers, fashions, everything is anchor tag. Everything is anchor tag. But here we got that some different appearance with images, sir. Yes, in our syntax, we have that image option also. No? Anchor tags we can create by using only text or anchor tags we can create by using image. Any of those things possible, no problem. So this is anchor tag designing. Between these two anchor tags, we have to type some text. What is this text? Display text. This text is called as the display text. What you typed here, what we typed here, that one is appearing here. Groceries is there, na? The groceries should be typed there. Or here we have the forget password. Na? This forget password should be typed there. Or here we have some languages names. Those we have to type. So exactly what you are typing here, sir. That 100% as it is displaying on the screen. So now I'm preparing some anchor tags for calling off our previous examples. This is ninth example is running now. So I want to call my previous example. That examples links I'm providing here. This is. And which program you want to call? Write the program complete address here. Actually, complete address required. As per our local system point of view, we'll get the complete address like this. HTML 80am slash example previous example. Some example 6.html. I'm providing a hyperlink for opening and running of example 6. This is display text. When you click on this text, it's called this program. When you click on this text, it's calling this program. Very simple thing. Complete address required as sir. Yes, sir. In normally we are working. We are working in the normal mode, so we need this complete address. If I'm working in the project environment, sir, address required, but not like this. The URL format will get it. the HTTP colon slash slash your application name slash program name. It comes in that format. It comes in that format. This is so one more link I'm creating here. Some open example 7. Anchor tag is closed. Open example 7, anchor tag close. And write the address here. Instead of complete address, we can directly type the example 7.html. Why, sir? Source and destination both are available in same folder. Source and destination both are available in the same folder at the same location. So current program is example 9. We are calling program is example 7. Example 9, example 7, both we saved in the same folder. So complete address not required. So complete address not required. You can go for the shortcut. You can go for shortcut. No problem. Both are in side by side. It will comes. See that? Inline tags, na? So they comes in side by side formats. Better take the BR. So our programs only now we can call another program also, no sir. Yes, other programs also we can call. There is no problem. Other location for programs or other website programs also we can access. How sir? Like this. Other location program we are calling one. Other location in the sense other folder or other batch. Something we have HTML 2 PM. One of the program we are calling suppose 46. No problem. From anywhere to anywhere we can call. I already said in the explanation. Example some 46.html. And here write open example 46 and hit close. First two is our programs. This is complete address and this is the short format, right? Huh? And third ones are other locations. We are not calling our programs. Some others developed and saved in the another location that we are calling with the address support. That we are calling with the address support. Like this, can I provide the links for live, sir? Yes, means we can access from websites also. So write the which website you want to call, write that website clear address. So http colon slash slash www dot site name your address. Google or Facebook, Flickr or something else. This is useful. Just we created links. Now I want to test it all these links. Sir. Yes, sir. Click on that link. We'll get the clarity here. First link I'm opening example 6. Yes, it's working. Back. Second link I'm testing. Yes, it's also working. Back. Third link I'm testing. This is other batch for example. Third link is also it's working. This URL is perfect. URL is proper. We can call from anywhere to anywhere. Only the problem with URL. Only the problem with URL. Next, all these are the text-based links. Only small text data is displaying. When you click on the text data, it's calling in the corresponding program. Like as a Flipkart, I want to display some images. Yes, possible. So hyperlink equals to something. And anchor tag is close here. Anchor tag close. Right now. In this gap, what sir? Instead of normal text, we want to display image. So write the image tag. Write the image tag here. SRC equals to something. Which image you want to display there? Write that image here. Which image you want to display? Write that image here. I'm going to displaying this mobile's image. mob.png. So take the less width and height. 60 pixels. Now image displaying image like this. When I click on this image, they call some address. They call some address. The Flipkart to top of the Flipkart, we are getting some small pictures. Now those all are these. Which one, sir? Can I directly call the Flipkart only, sir? Why not? This is mobile image. Na? When I click on this mobile, sir, I want to get all the mobiles listed. Then what to do? Copy the address from the Flipkart. Copy the address from Flipkart. The same thing we can also apply here. Flipkart Amazon, your interest. This is I'm using. What we have here exactly the same thing I designed. My image is their image both different. That's all. But image concept. Image bottom we have text also, sir. Text also possible. So take the BR here. And span tag mobiles. Span tag mobiles. Our program also displaying in the same manner. Image mobiles. Just providing a small gap here. So if you click on this image or if you click on this mobiles, it's going to calling the given address. It's going to calling the given address. So we want to open mobiles here. I don't know meaning of this URL, sir. Flipkart is showing some URL that I'm calling blindly. I just copied and placing in our program here. See that with a very long URL. This is Flipkart's original URL. When you call this URL, it's displaying all mobiles offers page. Mobile offers page available. That page is going to open. Live link. It's a live link. Now click on here. Mobiles offer page is opens. It's not Flipkart's home page. It's a mobiles offer displaying page. All mobiles offer displaying page. So image provided links are this. Next attribute to in a hyperlink is target. Next attribute in hyperlink is target. One is hrefo. Second attribute is target. So what is target, sir? When you click on hyperlink, where you want to open the page. When you click on that hyperlink, the next page is opens. Right now, next program is opening. The next page where it is opening, sir. You observe already here. It opens in the same tab. Already 3-4 times I executed the program. So last 5 minutes. If you observe those all the things, it opens the destination program. It opens the destination program in the same tab only. I want to open in the next tab, sir, or I want to open in the separate window. Yes, possible. But the target option is available. By default, target is within the same tab. Within the same tab. So where your source program available, destination program also should be open in the same location. See that how many tabs we have here, sir? Only one tab is available. Now click in the same tab, it is opens. Click here, in the same tab, it is opens. Again, click here, in the same tab, it is opens. I want to open in the different tabs, sir. So specify the target. Target equals to underscore self. It's a default option. You don't need to write it. First one, we are not mentioned any target, sir. Already self is there. Second one, sir, self I am typing explicitly for my awareness purpose. That's all. So first one, second one, both are self only. First one is implicitly self-available. Second one, explicitly we design self. Next, another target, sir. Target equals to underscore blank. Target equals to underscore blank. Underscore blank means what happens, sir? It opens in the separate tab. It opens in the separate tab. The source available in one tab, or destination is opens in the another tab. So first 3 links, we can check it here. First link by default self, done. Second link explicitly we specified the self, it's also done. And third link is next tab. You see that a separate tab is opens. 2 tabs. And in this scenario, if you use the shift combination, sir, while clicking on this third link, just hold the shift key and click on the third link. Just hold the shift key and click on the third link. What happens, sir? It opens your destination program in the separate window. It opens the destination program in the separate window. One more browser is opens. Separate browser. Separate tab within the same tab or separate browser window. The different options are available. One more option is there, that is frame tag, frame name. Target equals to frame also it will comes. Target equals to, you should write some frame name here. Currently we don't know frames concept. No? That's why this point I'm not touching. In frames topic, I'll show this target how to set as a frame. So after some days, we'll get the frames topic also. So that day I'll show how to set the target as a frame. So currently it's not possible to see. If I write the frame name, what happens, sir? It doesn't work. Sir. Target equals to, you should write some frame name. What is the frame name? No idea. If frames available are that we have some name, that name we are assigning here. Without having that one, if you write something A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, sir, it doesn't work. Next, the same anchor tag, we can also use another purpose, sir. This is one angle, one shade. This is one shade, right now. What happening here, sir? It's calling some other programs. The HTML programs are other than, not only HTML. I've opened here YouTube. That is not HTML. I've opened here Flipkart. It's calling some server-side program because all the mobiles are listed. All mobiles, how we are listing, sir? The support of server-side program only. So we call some HTML program, we call some other technology program here, and we call some one more technology. This is the program, mobile phones store. What is this program, sir? It's a server-side program that is listing all the mobiles list with offers. So maybe you are feeling, hey, anchor tag user only calling of HTML, sir. No. First three only HTML. This is not HTML. This is calling one server-side program because it is listing all the videos. That should be a server-side program, and it is listing all the mobiles offers. That is also server-side program. So we call client-side, and as well as we call server-side also. Right now, the one angle. Second angle, sir. By using the same anchor tag, we can play some videos and audios also. By using the same anchor tag, we are able to play some videos and audios. Oh, sir. So first, which audio you want to play, which video you want to play, download those and maintain inside your folder. Which video, audio you want to play, download those things and maintain inside your folder. That is better. Live link, sir. Live link also possible, sir. You can also play in the live link also, no problem. Instead of live links, better go for your own. Reasons are live link, it's not correct because today the link available, tomorrow link not available. Maybe they're moving or they're deleting from that website because live links means not your own links. Na? Others created links you are using. And that links, how many days it is available, sir? No idea. No? If that link is deleted, sir, your website also getting affected. Your website also getting affected. So that's a better maintain downloads and copy into your project folder like as our images concept, copy into your folder, then try to apply. We'll copy some files, one audio file and one video file is required. One video and one audio. I'm copying the same folder, images folder only. This is copy. This is audio file and this is video file. This is MP3 and this is MP4. Now see that. Anchor tag H reference equals to. Write your song name. Write your song name. Images slash dot MP3. Play audio or play song. This is BR tag. There's one more anchor tag href equals to images slash MP4. This is video song. So play video. Play video, play audio. A song or not a secondary thing. This is one video, one audio. It's directly playing. How it is playing, sir? Every browser inside one embedded players are available. Every browser inside one embedded player is there for playing of songs and movies. Embedded players are available, media players. With the support of that embedded player, they are playing your audios and videos. So now play this video.
इश्क शिफाया इश्क शिफाया इश्क पर्दे में किसी की आंखों में लबरेज है इश्क शिफाया महबूब का साया इश्क मल मल में ये लिपटा हुआ तबरेज है इश्क है पीर पैगंबर अरे इश्क अली दम मस्त कलंदर इश्क है पीर पैगंबर अरे इश्क
Now in the same manner, check the video file, play video. Open MS Word file. Just write that file address. That's all. It's real. Regularly, we are facing and working in our websites also. PDF files, MS Word files, PPT files, and we are downloading some softwares. No? Downloads. Downloading movies or softwares. That is also anchor tag only. What are the things you are downloading from the internet? That everything through come anchor tag only. 100% sir, you are believing or not. So maybe recently you downloaded some HTML editor. I think for practicing of programs, you downloaded some HTML editor. At the time of downloading, you are clicking on hyperlink only. Same, just write the file names clearly here. Write the file name. But all these files should be maintained inside your project folder only, not somewhere. Remember that. That is not good choice. Maintaining outside, it's not a good choice. You should maintain all these files inside your project folder only. So this is anchor tag information. Lastly, I'll show one small thing also. By default, anchor tags are comes with the blue color. I don't want all these things, sir. You can customize by using CSS styles. Customize by using CSS styles. There is no problem. So how to customize that I'm showing for your awareness at last. href equals to. So call some of the program. Your program or a live website, anything is okay, no problem. www. So google.com I'm calling here. Otherwise, we'll go for some monster website. Monster registration page I'm calling here. This is monster's registration page. This is the URL I'm copying and placing in my program. What is the link, sir? To job seeker registration. Job seeker registration. That is the link. Job seeker registration. This is the link. This link I already opened here. This link I already opened. That's why it comes in the different link. I already opened. The previous examples I used it already. So that's why we got in. Actually, blue color is comes, sir, but here all colors are coming differently, sir. So what are the links you already opened? Open links are comes in one color. Non-open links are comes in one color. Open links is comes in this purple color. If it is a fresh link, sir, it comes in the blue color. Clarity to the users. So which links I already checked, which link I'm not checked. For user clarity, they are going to displaying like that. So now I want to customize this option. I'm going to applying the style. Style equals to. By default, it is displaying with the blue color, sir. Yes, blue color I don't want, sir. I need something color. You can display that one. That is not a problem. Which color you require? Write the color here. I want to display with some red color, sir. Okay. And underline is coming up. I don't want that underline also, sir. Okay. So for that, we have one HTML attribute for removing of that underline. What is that attribute, sir? Text decoration. Text decoration equals to none. Text decoration equals to none. So what is this, sir? It's a purely CSS attribute. Text decoration equals to none. It's a purely CSS attribute. So whenever you don't want underlines, you can simply apply this one. If I want to get back underline again, sir, text decoration equals to underline. Text decoration equals to underline, or text decoration equals to none, or text decoration equals to overline, or text decoration equals to line through. These are the four options we can assign to four values. We are able to assign text decoration. Text decoration equals to underline, sir. The line comes bottom of the text. Text decoration equals to none, sir. No line is comes. Text decoration equals to overline, sir. The line comes the top of the text. Text decoration equals to line through, sir. The line comes the middle of the text. Top of the text, bottom of the text, middle of the text, no line. So for total four options are available. One of the CSS attribute. Total four options are available here. I'm going to using none. I'm going to using here. Just for your idea purpose, I'm typing comments this one. One of the CSS attribute line through. So it's hyphen decoration. Now the underline doesn't comes. The underline doesn't comes. Red color, hand symbol, no underline. Red color, hand symbol, no underline. This is matter. We customized hyperlink. We customized hyperlink. You can change any style set. We can display in any format with the support of CSS. With the support of CSS, we can display in any formats. There is no problem. These are the today's explanations. Yes, balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank
Sir.
you all.
Sir, you didn't start with and symbol, sir. You didn't. You didn't stop that and symbol. You told to avoid that and symbol.
And similarly, we can use one more attribute is available, cursor attributes.
Yeah, that you didn't show that.
By using cursor attributes, we can change that cursor mouse pointer. But have you seen anywhere without hand symbol?
Yeah.
In which website?
Not in website. It's dynamically they created.
We are discussing only websites only, na?
Okay.
Our
No,
program is web programming. We have to think about only websites, not other than
sir.
websites.
No, sir. That you told not to avoid that and symbol, color, and link.
Cursor attribute available. We have cursor attribute, but as per my observation, nobody is changing that hand symbol because hand symbol not giving how user getting idea. Small doubt. Like as normal pointer, you displaying anchor tags also normal. How user identifies that is anchor tag or not.
Okay.
Point got it? Huh?
Yeah, I got it.
That hand symbol is comes as a common man. They are identifying. Oh, this is hyperlink. We have to click here because a hand symbol showing that only. Hand symbol is not available, sir. They are unable to identify that one. So, okay, tomorrow we'll continue the rest of things. Thank you. Bye bye.